All right, this is your turn number 1, part B that I'm going to go through here. So we've got 2x plus 2y equals negative 2, and 3x minus 2y equals 12. So notice my variables are nicely, my like terms are nicely stacked together, and I can see that something will eliminate when I add these two equations together because I have a positive 2y and a negative 2y. So that means I can go ahead and add. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Add the left side to the left side and the right side to the right side. So we're just going to add, combining like terms. 2x plus 3x, I know, combines to be 5x. And then 2y plus a negative 2y, or 2y minus 2y, eliminates. And that's what I wanted. Equals, on the right side, negative 2 plus 12 is 10. Now I've got an equation that I can finish solving really easily. Divide each side by 5, and I get x is equal to 2. All right, so I added equation 1 and 2 to do that, to solve for one of the variables, because a variable eliminated. So let's go ahead and solve for the second variable. I can choose either one I want. I'm going to choose, let's do equation number 1. Doesn't matter which one. I would say neither one is easier necessarily. So 2 times my x, which is 2, plus 2y is equal to negative 2. If you want to do the top one, because this is a positive coefficient versus negative coefficient, maybe that's a reason you want to do that. Okay, so now 4 plus 2y equals negative 2, because I have to find this product first before I can get rid of this, because I want to isolate the term with the variable. So now I'll subtract that 4 from both sides, and I get 2y is equal to negative 6. Divide each side by 2, and y is equal to negative 3. All right, now I've got to check. Which equation am I going to check in? Equation number 2, because I used equation number 1 to solve for the second variable. So checking in equation number 2, 3 times my x, which is 2, minus 2 times my y, which is a negative 3, so be careful here. Is that really equal to 12? So again, we've got just an easy calculation here. We're subtracting two products, so we need to know what the products are first. So we can do these at the same time. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now be careful here. You can either treat this as a negative, and then you're going to add whatever you get from this negative 2 times negative 3, or you can put minus and then multiply this. So 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6, but we're subtracting. So it'd be minus a negative 6. So it's actually adding a positive 6. Again, if we did it the other way, what you could do is, instead of doing that, you can treat that as a negative 2, and then that means you would do negative 2 times a negative 3 is a positive 6, so we're adding 6. And we know that 6 plus 6 is 12, so it works. So again, our final answer, written as a coordinate point, will be our x first, and then our y. So 2, negative 3, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in curly braces. And that's it for your turn number 1, part B.